Control anxiety and stress with these 8 vitamins. Your body makes cortisol to help you handle stressful and tough situations. But when cortisol levels stay high for a long time, it can cause chronic stress. Surprisingly, chronic stress can even make your hippocampus shrink. Your hippocampus is the part of your brain that helps you focus and learn. Shrinking it can make it hard to focus and can even cause memory loss. But don't worry. You can control anxiety and stress with these powerful vitamins we're going to show you. 1. Vitamin B. B vitamins are a group of important vitamins that can help your body and mind stay healthy, especially during stressful times. For example, vitamin B6, also called pyridoxine, helps your body make certain brain chemicals like serotonin and GABA. These chemicals help control your mood and make you feel relaxed. That can definitely help you manage stress. Similarly, vitamin B3, also called niacin, is involved in making brain chemicals like serotonin, dopamine, and norepinephrine. These chemicals play a big role in controlling mood and emotions. They improve how your body responds to stress. Lastly, vitamin B12 is very good for your nervous system. Having enough vitamin B12 helps keep your nerves healthy. This improves your body's ability to handle stress. During stressful times, our bodies often need B vitamins more quickly. All B vitamins are water-soluble. That means they can't stay or store in your body. So you should take them regularly. Some of the healthiest foods rich in B vitamins are whole grains, lean meats, eggs, nuts, seeds, and leafy greens. B-complex supplements are another great option. They give your body a balanced dose of all the B vitamins at once. But ask your doctor for the right dosage for your needs before taking them. 2. Vitamin C. Vitamin C doesn't just boost your immune system. Surprisingly, it can also help reduce feelings of stress and anxiety. As an antioxidant, vitamin C protects your brain cells from oxidative stress and free radical damage. It also helps produce brain chemicals like serotonin and dopamine. These help you relax and improve your mood. Also, when your stress levels are high, your body may need more vitamin C since it's water-soluble. Your body can't store it for long. So you need a steady supply of vitamin C in your diet. That's easy though, because vitamin C is readily available in citrus fruits, bell peppers, broccoli, and strawberries. Whether you drink natural lemon juice or eat your favorite veggie salad, you can easily get vitamin C anytime. This will keep you happy and healthy overall. 3. Vitamin D. The sunshine vitamin isn't just important for strong bones and a healthy immune system. It also plays a major role in mood regulation. Vitamin D receptors are found in parts of the brain that regulate mood, like the hippocampus and amygdala. Studies show these receptors can also trigger the production of serotonin and dopamine. Not only that, vitamin D also helps calm inflammation in the brain. Studies show it has neuroprotective properties, meaning it protects nerve cells from oxidative damage and degeneration. A healthy nervous system can definitely help you deal with extremely stressful situations and improve your mood. If you're feeling down, enjoying some morning or evening sunlight can really boost your mood and reduce anxiety and stress. Other than sunlight, some great vitamin D sources are fatty fish like salmon and mackerel, eggs, and fortified dairy products. You can also take vitamin D supplements for an instant boost. 4. Vitamin E. First, vitamin E is an awesome antioxidant. That means it protects nerve cells from inflammation and oxidative stress. Healthier nerve cells free from stress can help you handle life stresses positively. Another major cause of too much stress and anxiety is hormone imbalance, whether it's sexual hormones or cortisol and serotonin. Imbalances can negatively impact your mood for no obvious reason. Luckily, vitamin E can help your body maintain balanced hormone levels and indirectly improve mood changes. So if you want to take control of feelings of stress and anxiety and stay happy, taking vitamin E through food or supplements could really help. Some great vitamin E sources are nuts, seeds, avocados, and olive oil. 5. Vitamin B1. Another common cause of anxiety and stress is vitamin B1 deficiency. Your body needs B1 to metabolize food into energy. Your brain, especially the hippocampus and amygdala, depends on it to produce energy to stimulate mood hormones. However, when you eat lots of sugary foods, your body has to use more B1 to metabolize them. That can deprive your brain of what it needs, leading to hormone imbalance and anxiety, stress. The simple solution is to limit sugary foods and eat more probiotic foods like yogurt, plus lean meat, nuts, beans, and whole grains. That gives your body adequate B vitamins, including B1, to help control anxiety and stay calm and happy. 6. Vitamin K2. Although vitamin K2 doesn't directly impact brain health, it works with other nutrients to improve mental and physical health. For example, experts recommend combining vitamin K2 with vitamin D3. Vitamin D3 helps your body absorb calcium from food, while K2 deposits the calcium into your bones and teeth. How does this help with stress? High calcium levels in your body can negatively impact blood vessel health. Without enough D3 and K2, you may develop high calcium levels in your blood vessels. This can potentially block arteries and increase risk of high blood pressure, heart disease, and stroke. Also, when your brain doesn't get enough blood, it may not function properly, making you anxious, unfocused, or nervous. Experts recommend taking 10,000 IU of vitamin D3 with 100 mcg of vitamin K2 regularly. But always consult your doctor before making supplements part of your routine. 7. Potassium. Potassium isn't a vitamin, but it's just as important. It acts as an electrolyte, helping maintain fluid and salt balance in your body. It also helps nerve cells communicate properly, giving them better control over your muscles and facilitating relaxation. Better communication between nerves can also make it easier for your brain to handle stress. You can get this essential mineral from foods like bananas, oranges, spinach, yogurt, fish, and nuts. 8. Magnesium. Like potassium, this essential mineral acts as an electrolyte and aids nerve communication. It also plays a key role in producing and stimulating neurotransmitters like serotonin and GABA. Serotonin is related to feelings of calmness and happiness. GABA promotes relaxation and can help turn off racing thoughts, making you feel sleepy. Some great magnesium sources are leafy greens, nuts, whole grains, fish, and dark chocolate. To control anxiety and stress, don't forget these vitamins and minerals. Eat a balanced diet or take supplements as advised by your doctor. Thank you for watching and subscribing. See you in the next video.